So the streamer, or the person that got me into streaming, was my cousin. His name's Squid in HD on Twitch, and believe it or not, he was actually piss drunk. And every time someone subbed to him, he'll do the Chewbacca Wookiee noise, and wow, it was funny. It's probably the most I've laughed when I'm watching his stream. The first stream I ever caught of him, and yeah, we were just talking, and then yeah, found out he was my cousin through Twitch. We're from the same place, and ever since then I've been subbed to him. That's where I met Fanta, who's a mod. Thunder as well. I believe I met him through Squirt's stream. I think that's where I've seen Atua as well. That's where I met Atua, who's in the chat. Most of the people I've met have been connections through like other streamers, be it through Squid and HD or Thunder as well, and yeah, it's like pretty much the bros now. You should do a drunk stream. Oh, your sleep simulator. But yeah, and then yeah, from there I just thought, oh, why not try? I mean, Fanta knows it. The quality when I was a Fortnite indie streamer, looked like I was playing in Minecraft mode. That's how bad the internet was. And then I was outside carving one day. Oh, actually, way before I even did a carving stream, I was streaming on Twitch doing carving. And then, yeah, from then on, it came to doing it here at home. The streaming in wasn't even long, not even like 10 minutes, and then I turned it off. Because, yeah, I didn't know how to be, or, yeah, I was like scared, nervous. And it was only 2 bots and Fanta at the time. And I even did a stream with my cousin Squid in HD. That name though. It was a Fortnite stream, and yeah. Hey Fanta, cabin boy. Yeah, but pretty much then I was doing my pixelated carving streams from just at the back over here. Or over here actually. I'm not going to show it because it's bloody washing out here again like that bloody clip. And yeah, then it came to that obviously to that showcase where I just applied for it and had a laugh like, yeah, I won't get it, no need to worry about that. And then the email came in saying that I was successful applying for this art showcase, and then my first initial reaction was, oh fuck. Like I was nervous, I didn't know what to do, and I didn't have any gear, and then I found 2 strings and 2 pins, 2 baby pins, and I was like, yeah, I'll make it work. And then I just hung it up on the fence, on the beams of the shed. When do we do speak of the Kevin Boy days? And yeah, did my first day. It was quite cool. Nervous as hell though. And come to that second day, I believe, when someone did that clip, and didn't think much of it. Like, I didn't know you could clip on a phone. Or literally streaming from a phone to that. Sammy boy, thank you very much for the sub, brother. Much appreciated, my bro, and Happy New Year's. Yeah, I felt like I won the lotto when I had 100 followers. And I didn't think I'd hit those kind of numbers. And then when this thing started spreading out overnight, I woke up and then seeing what had happened, and I was like, what the hell do I do? Like, I didn't know what to do. And yeah, seeing all like the likes and whatnot, I was like, oh, that's like a lotto number. And yeah, I just got even more nervous. Like, my heart was starting to race. You know, you have those hot collar moments when you're in an interview or you're doing a test and start getting hot. Yeah, that was me, but I was just inside with Mrs. Broxh, and yeah, with our first child. And pretty much from there, here we are today, and I can't be nothing but grateful. And from where we've come from not knowing what the hell I was doing, right up into almost getting scared to push live. And yeah, but I know I had to honour it, that just being chosen. So I just did the streams, and hello, it started growing and growing, and like it got to the point where people were like chilling in the stream while I was offline in the chat, and like, go to bed please, you don't have to wait here, I'm not on. And they're like, oh, it's alright, I was farting, these people sleep. And yeah, that's how it all panned out right from now. And then started making connections with other streamers, and then a big half bald mullet guy from Australia who's now a brother to me now. Yeah, we're very close. And yeah, bro, I buzzed out. We started getting to know each other more off stream as well. I mean, I've been a shrimp to panda for a while watching him, and obviously he's one of my streaming idols. I said shrimp. Twitch, okay, leave me alone. And pretty much, yeah, call him a brother today, and have met a lot of people. I mean, buzzed out at a lot of people that who knew me. I didn't think I was that well known, and I still don't think I am, to be honest. But yeah, I think I'm wrong compared which shows how many people are here talking to me. Sorry if I'm ignoring you guys. I'm not. I'm just trying to run through last year, or the last 9 months really. And what happened? What happened to the... Oh, I had another child. Yeah. And made the mistake of undoing my hair, and people were having some what do you call it? Craigisms. And yeah, we turned it into a redeem. So yeah, that's that. Stop talking about myself because it's annoying, and let's carry on. Been a crazy year, my bro. Yeah, hard, bro.